Want to create a large collection of professional mockups in just seconds? No need to spend hours designing manually. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to save time and get stunning results fast. A mockup is a powerful tool for any graphic designer. It helps you present your designs in a realistic and attractive way. But making mockups manually can be time-consuming and exhausting. That's why today we're using AI tools to speed up the process. There are several AI-powered tools that can generate mockups instantly, such as Photor, Canva with the Magic Edit feature, Visibly AI Mockups Generator, Magic Mockups. All of these tools let you upload your design or image and turn it into a professional-looking mockup with just one click. Here's how it works. Go to one of the tools mentioned. Upload the design or image you want to convert into a mockup. Choose a template from the library. Click the Generate Create button and wait a few seconds. Download your final mockup or continue creating more in batches. Try changing backgrounds and colors to match your project style. Use batch generation to create many mockups quickly. Take advantage of each tool's quick editing features for the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on design and AI tools. Give this method a try and share your results in the comments. I'd love to see what you create.